Good morning, dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed about addition and subtraction of integers. Today, we will discuss some concepts related to addition and subtraction. Okay. State whether the following statements are correct or incorrect. State whether the following statements are correct or incorrect. Some statements are given here. We have to say whether it is correct or not. First one, when two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. We get a positive integer. Here the first statement is when two positive integers are added, we get a positive integer. Let us verify this statement by an example. Okay, two positive integers here. Let us take plus 2 and plus 5. Plus 2 and plus 5. These two are the two positive integers. What should we have to do? We have to add. If we add these two, we will get a positive integer. That statement, right? Okay, let us add these two. Plus 2. We are added means plus. Which integer? A positive integer we are adding. Right? We can write plus 2 as plus 2 itself. We know how to remove the bracket. Plus into plus. This is multiplication symbol. Plus into plus is plus 5. Right? When we have same sign, we will add this two. Okay? Plus 2 and plus 5 is plus 7. We get a positive integer. Therefore, this statement is correct. This statement is correct. When we add two positive integers, we get a positive integer. Okay, our second statement is when two negative integers are added, when two negative integers are added, we get a positive integer. We get a positive integer. Once again, we will verify this statement by an example. Okay, when two negative integers are added, we get a positive integer, right? Okay, we'll take two negative integers, minus 3 and minus 8. Minus 3 and minus 8. Okay, what we have to do? Again, we have to add. So minus 3, we have to add means plus, right? Of minus 8. Minus 3, we are adding plus again minus 8. Two negative integers we have taken here and we are adding. The statement is when we add two negative integers, we get a positive integer. Let's see which integer we will get. Is equal to minus 3. You can write as it is. Plus into minus is minus 8. When we have same sign, we will add, but we put the sign. Minus 3 and minus 8 is minus 11. Minus 11. When we add these two negative integers, we get a negative integer. We get a negative integer. But in this statement, it is given we get a positive integer. Therefore, this statement is incorrect. This statement is incorrect. This statement is incorrect. So, what should be the correct statement of this? When two negative integers are added, we get a negative integer. That is the correct statement. But here we have given positive integer, we will get a negative integer. Therefore, this statement is incorrect. Right? Okay. We will see the next statement. Third statement. When a positive integer and a negative integer when a positive integer and a negative integer are added we always get a negative integer. We always get a negative integer. So what is the statement here? Here the statement is when a positive integer and a negative integer. So one integer is positive, another integer is negative, are added. When we add those two integers, we always get a negative integer. We always get a negative integer. Okay? Let's see which integer we will get. Positive integer, I will take one positive integer plus 5. Okay? And a negative integer minus 2 I will take. Okay? What we have to do for these two? We have to add. When these two are added, let's see what happens. Plus 5 plus addition, added, right? Plus of minus is equal to plus 5 plus into minus is minus 2, right, is equal to plus 5 minus 2. When we have opposite sign, we will subtract. So 5 minus 2 is 3. The greater integer consists of plus sign, therefore we will put plus. So which type of integer is this? Plus 3. Plus 3 is a positive integer. Plus 3 is a positive integer. Okay? We get a positive integer. In the statement we have given, always we get a negative integer. Let us know one more. Let us see one more example here. I will interchange the sign of 5 and 2. I will make a plus 5 as minus 5 and minus 2 as plus 2. Okay? One positive, another one is negative. Here one positive, another one is negative. Right? Okay. Minus 5 plus of plus 2 is equal to minus 5 plus into plus is plus 2, right? Minus 5 plus of plus 2 is equal to minus 5 plus into plus is plus 2. When we have opposite sign, we will subtract. Okay? 5 minus 2 is 3, but this 5 consists minus sign, therefore we will put minus 3. Here we got negative integer. Here we got negative integer. In this case we got positive integer, but in that case we got negative integer. That means when a positive integer and a negative integer are added, we get a positive integer or a negative integer. So it depends upon the larger number. So larger number consists of which sign, so that number will decide which integer will come. Right? So when a positive integer and a negative integer are added, we may get a positive or negative integer. Therefore, this statement is incorrect. This statement is incorrect. We may get positive or negative. Okay? So, one more statement is there. Statement 4. Additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. Additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. And additive inverse of minus 8 is 8. Additive inverse of 8 is minus 8 and additive inverse of minus 8 is 8. Okay? Let us see. Additive inverse means for which number we are writing additive inverse. For example, for 8 we are writing additive inverse as minus 8, right? So if we add these two, we should get 0. We should get 0. That means, let's see. So 8 plus of minus 8 plus of minus 8 equal to 8 minus 8 is 0. Therefore, the additive inverse of 8 is minus 8. Next, and additive inverse of minus 8 is 8. So minus 8 plus of minus 8 plus of plus 8. This is plus 8. Okay, which is equal to minus 8 plus into plus is plus 8. So minus 8 plus 8 is 0. Okay, additive inverse is nothing but interchanging the sign. For plus it will become minus, for minus it will become plus. Then what is the additive inverse of 2? That is plus 2. The additive inverse of plus 2 is minus 2. The additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. In the same way, the additive inverse of a is minus a. The additive inverse of minus a is plus a. Clear? Okay. Next, one more statement is given here. Fifth statement, minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. Minus 10 plus 3 is equal to 10 minus 3. We have to verify this statement as correct or incorrect. This is the LHS part. This is the RHS part. Right? From equals we have left hand side part. LHS. This is LHS. This is RHS. Okay. Let us find out the value of LHS first. Simplifying. So minus 10 plus 3. We know that when we are opposite side, we will subtract 10 minus 3 is 7. What about sign? So 10 is having, so 10 is greater number, it is having minus side, so minus 7. So minus 10 plus 3 is minus 7. So 10 minus 3, so 10 is having plus sign, right? So plus 10 minus 3 is 7. So this 7 is, this is plus 7. Is minus 7 equal to plus 7? No. Minus 7 is not equal to plus 7. Minus 7 is not equal to plus 7. Therefore, this statement is incorrect. This statement is incorrect. The same way, a minus b is not equal to b minus a. A minus b is not equal to b minus a. Next, exercise problems. Exercise 1.1. Exercise 1.1. So first one, following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius are different particular day. Particular day. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ದಿನದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ನ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ನಂಬರ್ ಲೈನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಶೋ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ us know how to write it. So this is -10, -5, -0, this is -5, 0, this is 5, this is 10, this is 15, this is 20, it's 25. So this is Bangalore and this is Ooty. Here is Shimla. Here we have Srinagar. Here we have Laos. Spiti. Here the number line is given. On this number line, some places are marked. So our first question is, write the temperature. Write the temperature. Write the temperature of the places marked on the number line. So what we have to write here, write the temperature of the places marked on the number line. On the number line, some places are marked. We have to write their temperature. So let us write one by one. Laos Spiti. So how to write? We already know from 0 to, if we move left side, we will get a negative values, right? So this is -1, -2. Need not to count from here. -1, -2 like this. We will not count because here we have -5. We have to find out the temperature of Laos Spiti, right? So this is -5 means this is -6, -7 and -8. So what is the Srinagar. The temperature of Srinagar is, where is Srinagar here? Right? 0, this is 0. 0 after -1, -2. -2 we have Srinagar. So the temperature of Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius. Right? Next, Shimla. So what is the temperature of Shimla? From 0 to right side, positive values. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 degree Celsius. 5 degree Celsius. Next, Ooty. Temperature of Ooty. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 degree Celsius. Temperature of Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. Next, Bangalore. Bangalore. This is 20, right? This is 20, right? 20 after 21, 22. The temperature of Bangalore is 22 degree Celsius. So we have found the temperature of places: Lahaul Spiti, Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty, Bangalore. Right? So let's see the next question, which is related to this number line only. What is the temperature? What is the temperature difference between? What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place? Hottest and coldest place among the above. So what is the temperature difference? Temperature no ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಯಾವುದು ಮಧ್ಯೆ hottest ಮತ್ತೆ coldest place ಗಳ ನಡುವೆ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂತ difference ಅನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. For that we have to find out the hottest temperature of the city. So which is the hottest temperature? So Bangalore, right? Bangalore. What is the temperature of Bangalore? 21. Here we have 20. This is 21, 22. 22 degrees Celsius. So which is the coldest place? The coldest place is Lahaul Spiti. Lahaul Spiti. Right? Lahaul Spiti is very coldest place among these places, as they have marked in the number line. So what is the temperature of Lahaul Spiti? Temperature of Lahaul Spiti is, this is -5, -6, -7, -8. We have found out the temperature of hottest place and coldest place. This is the hottest place temperature, 22 degrees Celsius, and this is the coldest place temperature, that is -8 degree Celsius. So difference between hottest and coldest place. Difference between hottest and coldest place is equal to 22 degree Celsius. Difference means minus of 22 degrees Celsius plus 8 degrees Celsius is 30 degrees Celsius. So this is the temperature difference between hottest and coldest place above this number line, right? So this is how we have to find out the temperature difference between the given cities. Next, so what is the temperature? What is the temperature? What is the temperature difference? What is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? In the third question, we have to find out the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. For that, we have to write the temperatures of Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. So, what is the temperature of Lahore Spiti? Lahore Spiti. Lahore Spiti. See, this is -5, -6, -7, -8. So -8 degrees Celsius. This is the temperature of Lahore Spiti. We have to find out the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. Srinagar. So what is the temperature of Srinagar? This is 0. When we move to the left side, we have negative values. This is -1, -2. So therefore -2 degrees Celsius. So difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar equals -2 degrees Celsius. So finding the difference, we have to put the minus sign of -8 degree Celsius. We are careful when we have negative signs. Both we have negative signs. So -2 we have right. -2 we have right because it is a higher value. So -2 degree Celsius minus of minus is plus 8 degrees Celsius is equal to, when we have opposite sign, what we will do? We will subtract. So 8 minus 2 is 6 degrees Celsius. Which type of 6? So it is a positive. So that is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar is 6 degrees Celsius. This is how we have to find out the temperature difference between the given cities, and how we can find out the temperature